Assalamu alaikum. Today is my fourth lecture with you. In today's class we are going to discuss about fractions. We will do simplification of fractions and ordering of fractions. As you can see the first question on my screen, that is relating to 12 by 60 as a fraction in its simplest form. 12 by 60 is given to you and you have to do simplification until no more simplification is needed. So you can do the simplification directly with the table of 12. Like 12 times 5 is 60. So if you want to write directly, if you know the table of 5, then easily you can do 12 times 1 is 12 and 12 times 5 is 60. And the answer would be 1 by 5. But if you don't know the table of 12, like some students are not familiar with the longer table. So if you know the smaller table, then you can do the simplification with the smaller table. Just like do over here. Do the simplification with the table of 2. 2 times 6 is 12 and 2 times 3 is 6 and 0 would be as it is. Now you can do more simplification with the table of 6. 6 times 1 is 6 and 6 times 5 is 30. So your simplified answer would be 1 by 5. I suggest that you have to do simplification with a smaller table because longer tables are difficult to memorize. So start your simplification always with a lesser number. Okay, question number 2 is 18 by 40. Again do the simplification with a table of 2. Whenever you do simplification with a table of 2, 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times 20 is 40. Now more simplification is not possible, so 9 by 20 will be the final answer. You know that 3 can cut 9. 9 can come in the table of 3. But 20 is not coming in the table of 3. That's not possible. So you cannot simplify with the table of 3. If you can consider 2, like 20 comes in the table of 2. Like 2 times 10 is 20. But 9 is not coming in the table of 2. So that's not possible. So by choosing any number, you can see the number that only cuts one figure, either the numerator or denominator. There is no other number that cuts numerator and denominator both. So that's why the simplification is not possible over here. And 9 by 20 will be the final answer. Question number 3 is 28 by 36 as the simplest form. Do the table of 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 18, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 9 is 18. So your simplified answer would be 7 by 9. No issue. Question number 4. 6 by 30. You can directly do the table of 6, like 6 times 1 is 6 and 6 times 5 is 30. So 1 by 5 is the answer. Question number 5. 72 by 90. 72 by 90 can be written as, do the simplification with the table of 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 will be carried towards 2 and make it 12. 2 times 6 is 12. So on the numerator you have 36. Again cut 90 with the table of 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 will be carried towards 0 and make it 10. And 2 times 5 is 10. 36 by 45. Right? Now you can do the more simplification with the table of 3. 72 by 90. 6, 2 times 4 is 10 here. Okay. If you want to do simplification with the table of 5, that is not possible. 36 by 45. If you want to do simplification with a table of, for example, 7 or 10, 9. Yeah, with a table of 9. So it would be 9 times 8 is 72 and 10 times 9 is 90. So here would be 10. Now do the simplification with the table of 2 again. That gives you 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 5 is 10. So your final answer would be 4 by 5. Yes, that's the answer. 4 by 5. Question number 6. 28 by 35. Again 28 by 35, so that can be written with the table of 7. 7 times 4 is 28 and 7 times 5 is 35. So it will be 4 by 5. Question number 7. Here is the list of fractions. One of these fractions is not equivalent to 3 by 4. You have to find that fraction. A list of fractions is given to you like 15 by 20, 33 by 44, 12 by 16, 26 by 32, 21 by 28. Okay, you have to do simplification for each of the fraction and you have to figure out which fraction answer is not equal to 3 by 4. If I would like to solve this first one with a table of 5, 5 times 3 is 15 and 5 times 4 is 20. So it gives me 3 by 4. 33 by 44. Do the simplification with the table of 11. 11 times 3 is 33 and 11 times 4 is 44. So it again giving me 3 by 4. Do the simplification with the table of 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 4 is 16. Again with the table of 2. 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 2 is 4. It's giving me 3 by 2. Sorry, here is 4 actually. 3 by 4, yeah. Next is 26 by 32. 26 by 32 can be simplified as with a table of, you can say 2 again. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 9 is 18 and 2 times 8 is 16. More simplification is not possible. So it would be 8 by 9, right? Do the simplification of 21 with a table of 7. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. So it gives me 3 by 4. Now look here. What is the fraction whose answer is not coming as 3 by 4? Its answer is coming as 3 by 4. So that is not possible to choose. This answer is coming as 3 by 4. Not possible to choose. Its answer is coming as 3 by 4. So you cannot choose that. Its answer is coming as 9 by 8. You can choose that. Also this answer is coming as 3 by 4. So that is also not possible to choose. The only fraction that is possible to choose is 26 by 32 because its simplification is not giving me 3 by 4. And go back to the question and you have to find the fraction that is not equivalent to 3 by 4. So 12 by 16 is the only fraction whose answer is not coming as 3 by 4. So its answer would be 26 by 32. Question number 9. Here is a list of fraction. You have to simplify each of the fraction and figure out whose simplification is not giving you 1 by 3. You have to solve 1 by 1. 3 by 9, 4 by 12, 7 by 21, 9 by 27, 8 by 26. 3 by 9 is giving you 1 by 3 with the table of 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. 4 by 12 is giving you 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, 1 by 3. 7 by 21 giving you 1 by 3 because 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 3 is 1 by 3. 9 by 27, 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 1 by 3. 8 by 26, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. So its answer is 4 by 13. Now look here, what is the fraction whose answer is not coming as 1 by 3? This is the fraction 4 by 13. So that will be your final answer. 4 by 13, or you can say it's the simplification of 8 by 26. So that will be your final answer. Question number 10. Question number 10 suggests that there are 26 sweets in a bag. 15 of the sweets are red, rest of the sweets are white. What fraction of the sweets are red? So first of all, write down the given data that is given to you. Total number of sweets, that is equals to 26. Number of red sweets, that is 15. Now you have to find the rest of sweets are white. So rest of sweets are white. Actually it means that 26 minus 15. So the number of white sweets are 26 minus 15. That gives you 11. 11 sweets are white. You have to find the fraction for red sweets. You can see over here the fraction for red sweets. So the number of red sweets, right over here, make a formula. Number of red sweets divided by total number of sweets, because you have to find the fraction out of sweets. So how much red sweets are there? 15. Take its division with total number of sweets. That gives you the answer. So it would be 15 by 26. And you can say more simplification is not possible over here. So that will be your final answer. If someone asks you to find the number of white sweets, that is not given in this question. I am doing as an extra thing. If you have to find number of white sweets, what you will do? You will do 11 by 26. That will be the answer for fraction of white sweets, because 11 are white and total are 26. So it would be 11 by 26. Question number 11. There are 17 counters in a bag. The table shows their details. What fraction of the counters are blue? Alright, what you have to do? First of all, you have to take a sum of all the counters, red, blue, yellow, green. So total number of counters would be 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3, that is equivalent to 17. Right? You have to find the fraction of this counter are blue. So fractions of counters that are blue, that can be written as, how much blue counters are there? 2. So it would be 2 by 17. Your final answer would be 2 by 17. Question number 12. There are 9 pens in a box. 5 pens are red and the rest are green. What fraction of the pens are green? Write down the assumptions. Total number of pens, that is equals to 9. Pen that are red. How much pen are red? 5. So take away 9 from 5 to find the green pen. Pen that are green. You can find, because it's written over here, rest are green, na? So it would be 9 minus 5, that is equals to 4. You have to find the fraction. So you will do green pen divided by total pen, because you have to find the fractions for green pens. So green pens are 4 in nature, total pens are 9, so it can be written as 4 by 9. That's the answer. The last question of this worksheet. Last year the cost of Tom's train ticket was 42 pounds. This year the increased percent and it's coming as 50 pounds. Write down the increase in the cost of Tom's ticket as a fraction of the last year. Alright. So first of all you will find the difference of amount, difference of money, or you can say amount. That would be 50 minus 42, because first of all you have to find the increased amount, like what's the difference between the actual amount and the previous amount, the amount that is in the present days and the amount that was in the last days. First of all you have to find this difference, and difference will be calculated by doing a subtraction, that giving me 8, right? So the total difference is 8. You have to write down the increase in the cost of Tom's ticket as a fraction of last year. You can see last year the amount was 42. Can you see over here? The amount was 42 in the last year. So you will calculate it 8 by 42, because you have to find the fraction of the difference relating to the last year, not the present year, not the increased amount, but in the last year. So whenever you just do a comparison of your difference to the last year, your answer will be 8 by 42. Do the simplification. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. 4 by 21. More simplification is not possible. Yeah, more simplification is not possible. So your final answer will be 4 by 21. That would be the final answer for this last question. So that's all about fractions and their simplification. I hope so you understand. If you guys have any problem, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.